For almost 4 decades, we at Thermokon have been developing and producing intelligent sensor technology in sensor systems with engineering expertise and quality made in Germany. Founded in April 1987 by Harald Zygan, literally in the basement of his home, the focus at that time was on temperature sensor technology for the heating industry. Today, the company has grown into a family business with over 300 dedicated and qualified employees and 9 European subsidiaries. Our broad portfolio for HVAC and building automation has a clear goal: to operate buildings more efficiently, transparently, and sustainably. We deliver integrable and scalable solutions for the building automation of today and tomorrow. Whether bus communication, radio systems, or IoT-enabled sensor technology, our products measure and regulate numerous parameters in buildings, such as temperature, humidity, air quality, brightness, movement, and pressure. We are continuously developing our sensor technology and sensor systems. Our roots lie in central Hesse, and that is precisely where we are consistently investing in the future. In 2022, a state-of-the-art production and logistics site covering 11,300 square meters was built just 2 kilometers from our headquarters in Mittenaar-Offenbach. State-of-the-art manufacturing technologies ensure consistently high quality. SMD assembly lines with camera-assisted AOI testing, injection molding machines, laser systems, UV coating systems for sensor protective coatings, and automated assembly lines guarantee high flexibility, reproducible precision, and a high level of vertical integration. Our quality management department and our in-house test equipment construction ensures comprehensive quality testing throughout the entire production process. High storage capacities and a large finished goods warehouse enable fast response and delivery times. Technology that makes buildings more precise, efficient, and sustainable. Thermokon, home of sensor technology.